Union Home Minister Amit Shah is holding a meeting with Uttarakhand's acting Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami and BJP President JP Nadda at his residence in New Delhi to discuss government formation in the state. Uttarakhand's legislative party meeting is scheduled to be held later today. Party leaders including Damand Kaushik, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Satpal Maharaj are also present in the meeting. In Manipur, central BJP leadership is likely to announce the name of the new chief minister of BJP-led government by this evening. The party observer and co-observer to Manipur Nirmala Sitharaman and Kiran Rijiju, along with BJP in charge Manipur BL Santosh, arrived Imphal this morning. The contenders of chief minister post in Manipur caretaker CM N. Biren Singh and MLA TH Biswajit also arrived at Imphal along with the party leaders. The Daina Dubi CNRD block demand